Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Coach Presh. If you haven't made a dime online from the comfort of your home, that means you haven't been watching my videos as I share tips on how you can actually make money online from the comfort of your home. In today's video, I'll be talking about 5 different apps that actually pays you just to play games with your phone. So before I get started, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly hit that subscribe button so that you'll be among the first set of people to see my video anytime I upload them, and you can start making money online even before others. So the very first website I'm going to talk about today is Swagbucks. Swagbucks is actually a survey website, but it pays you to even play games there. You earn points, and this points is usually called SB. There are different things you can do on this website. Like I said, you can play games, take surveys, and even watch videos. And once you stack up enough points, you can withdraw them using PayPal, Amazon gift card cash, and other global gift cards. And you can also redeem your card. So maybe after this video, I'll make another video now you can actually redeem your card. After you finish survey and you've made enough money and you want to convert them to gift cards, I will also show you how you can actually easily redeem these gift cards. The next one here on my list is Mistplay. Before now, Mistplay used to be only for Android users, but now I guess it's now active on iPhone. You can actually play game with this particular website, earn points, but they call it units. You can redeem them for gift cards, Amazon gift card or Visa prepaid cards. And like I said earlier, I'll also be dropping how you can actually redeem video, now you can actually redeem card with ease. So there is no problem about that, because although PayPal is allowed, I also made a video on how you can actually create a PayPal account that can receive money from Nigeria. If you are in a country that you're not allowed to use PayPal to receive funds, you cannot watch my video. I'll be dropping the link to under the description on how you can actually create a working PayPal even if you are from restricted countries. The next one on my list here is Skillz. If you are competitive, then this Skillz is for you. It powers skill-based gamers like Solitaire, Bubble Shooter, and more. If you enter contest and win, you will cash out. You can withdraw using PayPals. You can also withdraw using direct deposit, but that's if you are US based. But PayPal works globally. Like I said, I've already made a video on how you can actually withdraw using PayPal. You can go back and watch the video I made on how you can actually create a working PayPal from any restricted country. And another thing too about this one is that you can also withdraw using gift cards. So any of these one, Nigerians are fully allowed to actually join these websites and make money just by playing game. The next one on my list here is Gamee. This one is more like more of a arcade style. You spin wheels, complete daily missions, and collect tickets. These tickets give you the chance to actually win actual money and crypto. So this one is actually great because you can actually withdraw your money using crypto. You can withdraw USDT to your crypto wallet. You can also withdraw Bitcoin. So it's actually a good one, and it makes your withdrawal easier because you don't need to actually pass through the process of redeeming card. Just send to your crypto wallet and you have your money. You can transfer it to your sell it using P2P. And the very last one here, which is actually my best, is my favorite. It's Freecash. I've actually made a video about Freecash on how you can actually make money on Freecash. This one is loaded with game offers. That's one good thing about this one. You can play different games. And another thing about this one, it pays you dollars, enough dollars for you to even just install games. I also made a video on how you can actually install games with this particular app, and make sure you follow the step-by-step process on this one, because I already made a full video on how you can actually create an account, and follow the instructions I gave there so that you don't get to miss out on something and after downloading the app you will not get paid. They also offer surveys like you see here. They get paid for testing apps, games, and surveys. The good thing about this one is that you can also withdraw using Bitcoin. You can withdraw using USDT. As you can withdraw using crypto, Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum. You can withdraw with them. So this is it, guys. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel once again, kindly hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell, as I'll be sharing more tips on how you can actually make money online from the comfort of your home. See you on the next video. Thank you.